India's light combat helicopter is one of the latest to be fitted with lightweight armor panels that are able to stop lethal 12.7 B-32 API bullets from anti-aircraft guns as well as 7.62 hard steel ammunition. These armor panels are specifically positioned to protect the pilot and co-pilot from all sides, including bottom, as well as critical parts of helicopter such as engine and hydraulic pack. For India's light utility helicopter, SMPP has produced an array of armor panels that protects the cockpit, pilot and co-pilot. These panels are tested to be resistant to all fluids, including water, chemicals, oil and fuel. Able to sustain extreme temperatures from +70 degrees Celsius to -55 degrees Celsius, built to withstand high levels of vibration. Able to withstand acceleration up to high G levels. Successfully passed environmental tests as per latest MIL 810G. Are flame resistant, extremely lightweight, with a bolt-on system, easy to install and remove. Over the